ABC6 Storm Tracker meteorologist Skylar Spindler.
Well, today has been shaping up to be quite a nice day outside. So enjoy the sunshine for the rest of the day. We do have some clouds that's going to start to move in here shortly, and that's going to take away that sunshine. But we're seeing some 60-degree temperatures already. For tomorrow, though, a little bit different story. It's going to be drab. It's going to be gloomy outside. So be ready for tomorrow. We'll have rounds of lighter rain. We'll have some drizzle. We'll have some pockets of heavy rain. And then Sunday, we'll have much heavier, steadier rain as we get into our Saturday or Sunday time frame. So as we take a look outside right now, you can kind of see some of these higher clouds in the distance. Of course, this is looking over Brown University. It is 59 degrees in Providence, and the winds are out of the east southeast at about 7 miles an hour. So those temperatures around the area, definitely some 60s already showing up on the map. 63 in Norwood, and as we head out along the Cape, we're in the upper 50s. A lot of us are going to stay around the 50s towards the coastal area, but however, further inland, just because we have the sunshine in play, that's given us some of this afternoon heating. So as we look at this big picture setup, so the high pressure system you can thank for this, that's keeping us rain free for now, but you can kind of see right here behind me, this system is going to be working its way into our area as we get into the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. So for the future cast temperature wise, you can see the clouds starting to move in. As soon as those clouds really start to move in, our temperatures start to dip as we head into the evening hours. Some of us could catch a stray spotty shower in the evening hours, and so if you plan on heading out to the Red Sox game tonight, this is probably your best chance to get out and catch a game. We'll be 49 at 7 o'clock. If you're going out there tomorrow or Sunday, I might suggest you may want to sit under the awning because the rain is going to be moving in and out through the weekend, and unfortunately it will be during the game time. So futurecast into Saturday, here's this rain I'm talking about. So it's going to move through. Again, we'll have parts of drizzle, we'll have some just gloomy weather for much of the day. And as we get into the evening hours, and you see how sometimes it gets light and you got heavy patches, we have a break. We have this clearing in the overnight. And then by the time we get into Sunday morning, late hours and into the afternoon, that's when the next round moves in. This one's a little bit heavier and more organized. So we'll get a little bit more rain out of this. So rainfall total, the first half, we'll probably see about ½ an inch to an inch. And then into the second round, we'll be up to about 2 inches. So you can kind of see some of the projected rainfall forecast totals across the area. So if we can pick up that 2 inches of rain, that'll definitely get us back to normal and right where we should be for this time of year. So the winds are going to be moving in as well with this system. So we can see wind gusts up to about 20-25 miles an hour at times throughout Saturday evening and into Sunday. So just be aware that we'll be having some gusty winds that's going to come along with this. So again, today was our pick of the week for this entire forecast. Rain on Saturday, a little bit more gloomy drizzle. Sunday, much more steady rate as we head into the afternoon. It lingers into early Monday morning. So if you're commuting, just be aware that that rain will be in the commuting hours. And then we do clear up in the afternoon. By Tuesday, we do have a decent day. We'll warm up to about 60 degrees and it'll be breezy. And then the rain moves back in for Wednesday and Thursday.
What causes the wind to pick up?
Well, the wind is caused by the differences in air pressure. When you have a cold air mass, which is much more dense, and that's placed next to a warm air mass, which is less dense, the atmosphere creates the wind to help equalize the difference in the air pressure at different levels of the atmosphere. Now, the winds nearly always flow from areas of high pressure to areas of low pressure. Now, there are a few things that cause wind. Temperature is one of them, and that's because the sun's warming effect. There are more winds during the day than there is at the night. The air pressure, the greater the pressure difference, the faster the winds. You have a centripetal force, which is the increase in airspeed, and that influences the direction of the wind flowing around the center of the circulation. And the fourth is the Coriolis effect. The rotation of the Earth on the axis causes winds to shift into the direction, and that creates what's called prevailing winds. For ABC6, I'm meteorologist Skylar Spindler.